What's good, Auto Gang? Toyota Tundra. What year this is? I believe this is like a 22 or something. Gotta be, because 23. Nice little screen in there. So we're doing some rear shocks from rough country. Doing a set of rear Vertek shocks. I'm gonna show you the shocks right here. Pretty simple setup. So we're gonna change those. Get these old shocks. Cause right now we got a set of rough countries, but we upgrading from these to these right here. Take the top off, you can get a set of grip pliers, grip it onto this bottom part of the shock, 18mm socket, and you can start loosening that shock up. See, if I didn't have this on there, then it'll freely spin. So you're gonna have something to grip it down to create a little bit of tension. Create a little tension so you can take that bolt up. All right, to get these shocks on, it's 18mm and that 17mm. Got your bushings, and that's it. Take that old shock out, and just something new. All right, gang, we all good to go installed. And it has a few different selections for the ride height. If you want it stiff, want it loose. I got it on cool right now. But this was 17mm for the bottom bolt, 18 for the top. Got the move shocks off.